everyone. I am Eva Niyogi, a student of kindergarten from Kolkata. I will narrate the story titled A Bird in Hand, adapted from the Panchatantra Stories. Once upon a time, there lived a lion in a dense forest. He used to hunt all the other animals to satisfy his hunger. One day, while searching for his food, the lion saw a small rabbit. He was playing under a tree. The lion started following the rabbit wherever it went. He was waiting for his chance to pounce upon the poor little rabbit. While the rabbit was playing, he suddenly heard the sound which was coming from the nearby bushes. When the rabbit saw the lion, he ran for his life. But the lion sprang upon him, and the poor little rabbit was soon in his powerful claws. Before the lion could gobble up the rabbit, a deer came into the lion's view. The greedy lion let the rabbit go and started to run after the deer. The relieved rabbit ran happily into the forest. The deer ran really fast as the lion chased him and soon disappeared into the forest. The lion lost the rabbit and did not manage to hunt the deer either. He cursed himself for letting go of the rabbit and to run after the deer. If the lion would have been satisfied with what he had, he would have surely filled his stomach. So, the moral of the story is, a bird in hand is better than two in the bush. We should be happy with what we have. Being greedy makes us lose rather than gain. Thank you. Bye.